Tomorrow at 11 a.m., about 2.3 million phones across Houston will get a test emergency alert from the Wireless Emergency Alert System. The alert will look and sound like an Amber Alert, but it will read Public Safety Alert. This is only a test. According to city officials, the system is meant for life-threatening emergencies like terrorist activity, severe weather, evacuation orders, or shelter-in-place warnings. They stress there is no need to worry. This week's alert is only a test just to make sure that the system works for everyone, even international phones, during big events like the World Cup next year.